How to read Instagram messages without letting them know. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can read Instagram messages without letting them know. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is simply open up your Instagram. After you open it up, simply head over to your DM section. And right here, let us assume that this friend has sent me a text. So after you receive the text, what you'll want to do is not simply open it up. What you can do is you can simply turn on your airplane mode. And after you do that, you can view the message. Now, after you view the message, make sure that you do not turn off your airplane mode, because if you turn off your airplane mode, you will be back online and the notification will just go from here to there that you have just opened the message. So yeah, now you only need to turn off your airplane mode when you're ready to, let your friend know that you have seen the message. So yeah, that is basically how you can read Instagram messages without letting them know. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.